So I'd like to show you this image here, this very beautiful image of Cassiopeia A, which is a supernova remnant in our galaxy, taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. Now, the James Webb Telescope gives us a very high-resolution view of the near and mid-infrared range, where we can contrast that with the Hubble Space Telescope image taken a few years ago in the optical. And combining the two gives us information about the different temperature of gas. So cooler gas emits in longer wavelengths. We see this in infrared. Now, this supernova remnant is what's left over from the explosion of a massive star. When it came to the end of its life, it ran out of fuel and then it collapsed and then it exploded. And what we have here is the leftovers of that, like the remnants. So this hot, fast material from the explosion is slamming into material which was pre-existing in space around the star, probably from previous episodes of ejection of the star when it was a bit younger. So we get this hot gas slamming into the cold gas, which heats it up and which makes it light up in these incredible detailed clumps and filaments and loops and makes it look so, so beautiful. So what we're seeing here is the lit up material which will probably go on to form a new generation of stars. So all this stuff floats around in space, gets accumulated in new gas clouds, and the clouds collapse and form new stars and new planets, and very possibly new life forms. So we are formed from material which was once made inside a supernova in the long distance past, which makes this extremely exciting to look at. It's one of the nearest examples of a supernova remnant to us. It's about 11,000 light years away in our galaxy, as I said. And the supernova remnant light has reached us about 300 years ago. So it appears to us to be only 300 years old, which makes it very, very young. It literally just happened. Although obviously 11,000 light years away means that the actual supernova happened about 11,000 years ago. But we see it now due to the miracle of this time machine of space we have, where we see things in the past. We see it only 300 years old. And we're seeing all this incredible detail. People have been studying it for years and trying to understand why it's this shape and this size. But we can just marvel at it, at its beauty, at its incredible complexity, and also just appreciate that here we have a factory of chemicals which may go on to create new life sometime in the future.